Hello there children, it's Jude here with Lammy and Flossie for our Whatever the Weather Day, and I've got a lovely activity now to show you, another one that's to do if it's a windy day like it is today here, and we're going to actually have a go at making a pinwheel. Okay, and this is a pinwheel, so you make it and it blows round in the wind. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make one of those for yourself. So I'm going to lower the camera so that you can see. Okay, so here we go. So these are the things you're going to need. You're going to need a square of paper. I've used coloured paper. You can use white paper or whatever you've got, and you can decorate it if you like. You are going to need a ruler and a pencil. Okay, you're going to need some scissors. You're also going to need a little pin like this, a drawing pin or a little pin, and you're going to need either piece of doweling or a straw or something like that. Okay, so the very first thing you need to do is you need to get your square of paper. You need to fold it in half one way and then fold it in half the other way so that it's sort of cut into quarters like this, and then you get your ruler. Now you might need some help from a grown-up for this. Now I'm going to measure 5 centimeters out from the very center of the square. So 5 centimeters out this way, make a dot. 5 centimeters out this way, make a dot. Then turn it round and do the same again. As I said, you might need some help from a grown-up with this, but you might be able to hold the ruler for them or help them count the numbers on the ruler. And then once we've done that, then we get our scissors, okay, and we cut down from the point to that dot. We don't go any further, just to the dot. Okay, so you might be able to help with the cutting for this. It's always nice to do as much of these things as you can yourselves, but if you do need help, then just ask a grown-up. There we go. So I'm just going to cut down that folded edge until I get to the point, to the dot. There we go, last one. There we go. Okay, now this is where it gets a little bit tricky, because what we've got to do now is we've got to start folding one of these corners in. So you always fold the same bit. So I'm going to look, when I look at it, I'm going to fold this one into the middle. Okay, then I'm going to turn it. I'm going to fold this one into the middle. Okay, this gets a bit tricky. This is where you need lots of fingers to help you so you don't get in a muddle. Okay, then I'm going to turn it again. I'm going to fold this one into the middle. There we go. And then last one, I'm going to fold that one into the middle as well, and then you get your pin. Now a grown-up might need to help you with this because we don't want you to hurt your fingers. Okay, and you poke the pin through all of the, oh, and I've missed a bit. Can you see how that bit's come loose? So that's okay. I can see the other 3 are caught, that's fine. So then we just go back and we catch that one as well, and we poke the pin through that one too. Okay, now as I said, this bit is a little bit fiddly, so you're probably going to need some help from a grown-up. Okay, and then once it's all in, you just wiggle that pin around a little bit to make the hole a little bit bigger. There we go. And as I said, then you can either stick it, if you've got a piece of doweling, or onto a straw. Now I've got some brightly coloured straws that need using up because we don't use plastic straws anymore, so I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to use those up. So there we go. There we go, there's my pinwheel. Oh, let me move that up so you can see. And I'm going to go and put this in the garden now and watch it go round in the wind. So I hope you have lots of fun making your pinwheels, children. As I said, you can do lots of different colours and you can then put them in the garden and watch them go round in the wind. Have lots of fun, and remember, you can have fun whatever the weather.